Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows out of Jolly Ranchers. Start by crushing Jolly Ranchers into fine pieces and measuring sugar and gelatin precisely. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and crushed candies to 240 degrees F while stirring gently until fully dissolved. Bloom gelatin in cold water, then whisk melted sugar into gelatin on low speed. Pour into a prepared pan and chill until set, then cut and dust with powdered sugar. Gather 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup corn syrup, 3 envelopes gelatin, and crushed Jolly Ranchers for flavor. Use a candy thermometer, stand mixer with whisk, saucepan, silicone spatula, and a 9x9 pan lined with parchment. Prep pans with oil and powdered sugar to prevent sticking, and measure ingredients precisely for consistent texture. Keep a clean timer and a cool place to set the candies after pouring for best results. Quick recommendation: if you like fresh scents while crafting, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Car Air Freshener for a pleasant studio smell. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy candy projects. Check the description for the link and other deals on helpers and tools you might need. It fits any car and lasts weeks. Now let's get back to the video. Start by blooming gelatin in 1 cup cold water while you crush 2 cups of Jolly Ranchers. Combine sugar, corn syrup, and 1 cup water in a saucepan and heat to 240 degrees F without stirring vigorously to avoid crystallization. Slowly pour hot syrup into the gelatin while whisking on low, then increase speed until fluffy. Transfer to pan, smooth top, cool completely, then dust and cut into squares. Store in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.